Chris Marchio of Knotted Root Brewing Company discusses the evolution of craft beer artist weekly. The craft beer revolution has transformed the beer industry, bringing an explosion of flavors, styles, and brewing techniques to the forefront. A significant trend emerging within this revolution is the use of local ingredients, leading to a diverse range of unique brews. This trend is not just about creating distinct flavors but also about supporting local agriculture, reducing environmental impact, and building community connections. The use of local ingredients in craft brewing is more than a trend, it's a movement. Breweries are increasingly sourcing hops, grains, fruits, and herbs from local farmers, emphasizing the importance of freshness and regional character. Local sourcing offers several advantages. First, it ensures the freshness of ingredients, which is crucial in brewing. Second, it reduces the environmental impact associated with long-distance transportation of ingredients. Among the pioneers of this trend is Chris Marchio of Knotted Root Brewing Company. Located in a region rich in agricultural diversity, Knotted Root has embraced the use of local ingredients to create beers that reflect their environment's unique flavors. Local ingredients can significantly impact the flavor profile of a beer. For instance, hops grown in different regions have distinct characteristics. Chris Marchio at Knotted Root Brewing Company exemplifies the art of local brewing. By choosing ingredients sourced from nearby farms and fields, Marchio creates beers that are not only distinctive but also deeply connected to the local landscape. An essential aspect of using local ingredients is the collaboration between brewers and local producers. Despite the benefits, the use of local ingredients presents certain challenges. Availability can be a significant issue, especially for certain types of hops or specialty grains. Moreover, the cost of local ingredients can be higher compared to more commercially available options, impacting the final price of the beer. However, these challenges also present opportunities. They encourage brewers to be more creative and adaptive, often leading to unique and unexpected flavor combinations. The trend of using local ingredients in craft brewing is likely to continue growing. As consumers become more aware of the origins of their food and drink, the demand for locally sourced products will increase. As pioneers like Chris Marchio of Knotted Root Brewing Company continue to explore the potential of local ingredients, the craft beer landscape will undoubtedly continue to evolve, offering beer enthusiasts an ever-expanding array of unique and flavorful brews. This trend not only enhances the beer drinking experience but also supports local economies and fosters a stronger sense of community, making it a win-win for brewers, consumers, and local producers alike.